Good evening, everyone. Hope everyone is having a good time. I'm Ash, and I'm here to talk about a problem that plagues the maritime industry. It's about data. If you look across the number of ports that the cross-border trade takes place, there are 600 ports across 120 countries, and about 12 billion containers are transacted. And that results in over 1 trillion documents across multiple jurisdictions, multiple languages, and multiple formats. That's a big problem to solve. If two countries cannot operate, if you ask them to standardize, they can't standardize. It's like going to China and telling them start transacting in English. That's just not going to happen. So what is the impact of this? It's $240 billion of man-hours. To process these documents manually, there's no technology out there to capture the data and send it into the systems. And every year, about 48 billion hours are being spent that could be better leveraged elsewhere. So what is the solution to this problem? Should we go to all these countries and ask them to standardize the process? Would they agree to it? What have we seen in the past 30 years since the advent of enterprise systems? That's just not a practical solution. This is where KoiReader comes into play. We are enabling standardization of document automation by not actually enforcing the partners, but by solving the problem through technology. If you look at the document in the center, that's a shipping airway bill of lading. You can see the format is extremely complex. It could have Chinese characters, Spanish, Arabic, English, and the format can keep changing. If any of us have to actually capture this information into a system, it won't even take 30 minutes, it will take a lot more. And if you don't know the language, how do you really digitize that information? Traditional OCR text, it captures text, but not context. And that's where KoiReader comes into play. We enable intelligence on top of text. We add context to the OCR captured text. The savings through our technology is $232 billion per annum and 24 billion man-hours. Imagine if we can apply that to elsewhere, what would be the impact to the GDPs of nations? Model, we have SaaS API subscriptions, and we have won contracts with PSC International to serve 8,000 plus global trading partners, and we are operational in dealing with 4 countries in 3 continents. Team-wise, I'm the founder, industry executive with trade and transportation maritime experience. My co-founder is my younger brother, whom I've groomed since grade 5. He's an AI monster, that's what I call him. Thank you.